virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Hello students, today we are going to learn maths of standard 3rd and the topic name is addition without carrying over part 2. Students, we have already completed the part 1 of this topic, right? Okay, now assume that your friend has 4 marbles and you have 4 marbles, okay, and you decide to play. Then how you will come to know that total number of marbles with you guys? Yes, what you do? Then you go for addition. Means when we want the total of 2 or more numbers, then we go for addition. We add the numbers, means we count them together. Here 4 marbles plus 4 marbles means together you have 8 marbles, correct? Like this, and we use plus sign in addition. You can see that one on the screen. Okay. Okay students, today we will learn to add 2 and 3 digit numbers without carrying over. Okay. First one, here we will add here 2 numbers. This is unit place, tens place, hundreds place. Now dear students, I will write here 100, 2 tens, 1 unit, 200, 1 10, 3 units. We will add this, so we are going to give plus sign. Now we will add from the unit place, that is 1 unit plus 3 unit means it is 4 unit, 2t plus 1t, that is 3 tens, 100 plus 200 means it is 300, correct? This is for revision. One more we will take for revision, units, tens, hundreds. Now here we will write direct numbers, 243, 345, okay, plus sign I will give here. Now we will add from the unit place, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer is 588. This we have done in last lecture, correct? Arrange vertically and add. See the students, vertically means in standing position. We will write one number below the other. Okay, here units, tens, hundreds. Now here 234 it is given. Now we will write 342 below. Now we will give plus sign. Now we are going to add 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Yes students, this is a vertical arrangement. Remember, carry out the addition. See dear students, here I have not written units place and tens place. Okay, directly we will write the numbers 33 plus 16. Okay, one more sum is there, that is 16 plus 33. Please see this carefully. Here 33 is up in the first position and in the second sum 33 is down. Means we interchange the place of the numbers. The numbers are same but the place is interchanged. So we will see what is the answer for both these? 3 plus 6, here it is 9 and 3 plus 1 is 4. We will move to the second sum. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Wow, we got the same answer. Both answers are 49. So what we understood by this? Even when the orders of numbers is changed, they add up to the same number. Means we will get the same answer. Okay. Yeah, problem sum is there. First we have to read the given sum properly. Then we have to understand them. Then only we have to solve. Okay. Listen. Ravi, a boy is there. Ravi bought a pencil for rupees 3. Eraser means rubber for rupees 2. And chocolates for rupees 4. Altogether, how much should he pay to the shopkeeper? Yes, Ravi went to the shop and he purchased 3 items. First one, he purchased pencil for rupees 3, eraser for rupees 2 and chocolates for rupees 4. Okay, now altogether how much should he pay to the shopkeeper? Means we have to add this. Okay, only single number is there, so I will write unit. Okay, now first 3 rupees of pencil, 2 rupees of eraser, this is plus we have to do, and one more is there, that is 4 rupees of chocolate. Okay, we will add all 3. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Got this, children? Okay, one more method I will show you. Now first we will add the two numbers, that is 3 and 2, that makes 5, and then 5 plus 4 make 9. Whichever is easy you can follow. So the answer is 9 rupees. How to write? Here altogether Ravi should pay rupees 9 to the shopkeeper. Got this, children? Okay, one more sum we will do like this. Yes, one girl is there of your class. Her name is Geeta. She is fond of bangles. She has so many bangles with her in her cupboard. We will see how many bangles she has with her. Okay. Now first we will read the sum. Geeta has 20 blue bangles, 12 pink bangles and 15 red bangles with her. Altogether, how many bangles are with her? Okay, what she has? 20 blue bangles, pink, that is 12 bangles she has, and 15 red bangles. Okay, we will add all 3 numbers so that we will get the total numbers of bangles she has. Now here 2 digits are there, so we have to write units and tens. Correct? Now first we will write blue bangle, that is 20. Then pink bangles 12. Then red bangles 15. Okay, we will put plus sign. Now we will add here in the unit column 0 plus 2 plus 5 is 7. And the second one in the tens place, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Means she has altogether 47 bangles with her. So she is very happy. Addition of 3 numbers now. Directly we will add 3 given numbers. Okay. 43 plus 45 plus 10. We will put addition mark, it is given. Okay, now we will move to unit place. 3 plus 5 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. Correct? Second one, again here numbers are given. It is vertical arrangement. Okay, we will do addition. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Anyhow you can do. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. One more we will take for your practice. See here in the first row only 3 is there in the unit place. Nothing is there in the tens place. So how we will add? First we will add the units places. 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Here only we will add 2 numbers in the tens column. That is 4 plus 5 is 9. Got this, children? Now students, we will do addition of 3 numbers. See, 3 numbers are given. We will make a table. We will write units, tens and hundreds. Now we will write 3 numbers in 3 rows, one below the other. First we will write 343, 135 and 120. Okay. Now we will carry out the addition from the units column. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. Okay. This is called vertical arrangement. One more sum is there. Again we will write units place, tens place, hundreds place. And number we will write 541. Always we write numbers starting from unit place. Okay. 103 plus 225. Okay. Now we will add the numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 0 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. Got this, students? Now horizontal arrangement. Yes, you know, in last lecture we have learnt about the horizontal arrangement. Horizontal arrangement means in sleeping mode. We will write the sum in sleeping mode. See, like this: units, tens, 100. Whatever is given we will write here, plus again we will make the table. Units, tens, 100. Here we will write 540. Now answer, we will first make the table and we will write the places. Okay, now we will start addition. You know that always we add units places. See, 5 plus 0. Where we will write? We will write the answer in the unit place, that is 5. Okay. Now we will move to tens place. 3 and 4. That is 3 plus 4 is 7. We will write in the tens place. Remember this. Now hundreds place remain. 4 plus 5 gives 9. That we have to write in the hundreds place. Yes, this is the method of horizontal arrangement and doing the addition. See, 3 numbers. We have to add these given 3 numbers in horizontal addition. See, again I will write units, tens and 100. 443, that is the first number. Then plus, again I will make the table. Units, tens, hundreds. Now what I will write? 225 plus one more table I need because 3 numbers are there. I will write here 120. Okay. Now I will write the answer. First, we will make the table. We will write the places. Okay, we will start now. First, please go through the unit place. Unit place has 3 plus 5 plus 0. Here 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Now dear students, move to tens place. Now I will not show arrows here because you know the places and the numbers. Correct? Now where is T? Means tens place. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we'll move to hundreds place. That is 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Got this, students? One more sum is there. Again we will make table. We will write the places. We will write the number. Second table. We will write places. And now we'll write number. Third table. Places we will write. And number we will write. Okay, now we will find out the answer. Okay, we'll move to the units place of each table. Here 0 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 plus 1. That is 100 column 6. The answer is 645. Got this, students? Yes, you have to do practice. I am sure you will do this. Okay, but practice is must. Yes, dear students, page number 21 has like these sums. Go through these sums, try to solve and do the practice. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.